Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back, and today I'm going to be doing another plate review slash mani tutorial. Here I have BBB XL-046, and it came in this beautiful paper sleeve. Like I always say, BBB has one of the most beautiful paper sleeves. Again, you get instructions in the back, you get their Instagram right here. So yeah, I'm going to show you the plate. Here is the plate. The plate looks awesome, especially to create some of those Valentine's manicures. Is all about love, as you guys can see. So I already have my nails. Let me just show you. I already have a base. I already stamped these 3 fingers, and I'm gonna do the rest of the mani for you guys in front of you. I'm gonna swatch some of these images for you guys, and then at the end of the video I will come and talk to you guys. Also, I want to leave the single product number right here if you only want to buy this plate, or if you want to buy the whole set where this plate comes. I'm gonna leave it right here. It just makes it easier for you guys to look on BBB website. Also, I want to leave my 10% off right here, so you can use it in any purchase. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna stamp the same image right here. Although my nails are a little bit longer, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna be able to see how I'm just gonna cover the rest of the nail. And I'm gonna do an accent nail. I still don't know. I'm thinking I might just do this one right here, so it kind of matches, and it says Valentine's Day, and kind of matches. You know, it has hearts. This one has heart. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna probably do some reverse stamping for this. So I'll be back to talk to you guys when I'm done. Guys, so I'm done swatching the plate, and let me just tell you, this plate is really beautiful. Not only beautiful, stamps so nicely. The edginess perfect, even in those big open spaces like this one. I think that's what it's called. I had no issue. I had 0 issues. Even when I was scraping, it was just perfect. Love it. It's perfect plate for Valentine's Day. You can create so many manis with this. Now, I'm still letting this dry completely. I think it's already dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my clear polish, and this is a Horace Nails Sally Hansen. Usually I get the Wet n Wild. That one works really good too, and it's so cheap. Oh, I actually have it over here. Let me see. Let's try this one, because this one most people can actually find at Dollar store. And it's only $1 at Dollar Tree. This is a Wet n Wild. You can actually get it at Walmart. I believe less than $1. Just when you're doing this, make sure you barely touch your image. You don't want to smear your work. Kind of smear, but good thing there's nothing down here, so it didn't really matter. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and then when it's dry, I'm gonna come back and apply it right here in the middle and finish this mani. And yeah, we're just gonna let that dry. All right, you guys, so I think it's finally ready to apply to my nail. So I'm gonna figure out how. I mean, I know how to apply it. It's just, I don't know if I wanna. Let me show you guys. Since my nail is longer than this and it's kind of pointy, if I put it all the way over here, I'm gonna cut probably too much of her, and I want you guys to be able to see, I don't know, that is actually her and him. Does that make sense to anybody? Okay, so we're gonna try this. Let's start from the beginning. Just press down. Make sure you press down. And this is why it's better if you don't have any experience, let it dry completely or make it more like a sticker. And if you already have experience on decals, reverse stamping, however you want to call it, and then you just know what to do. But see how you guys can see I love you, and you guys can see part of her. So here's like I think I'm gonna have to use my brain a little bit, just a tiny bit, to be able to cover this. I'm gonna have to figure out what I want to put. Well, maybe I'll do a bunch of these little hearts right here, or maybe I think I got it. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the black stamping polish, and I'm gonna try to pick up this part right there. I mean, this is something that I gotta figure out. Oops, right in the corner. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it's not dry. No, that's actually good. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple of those little hearts, and then that way I can cover whatever is missing. So let me just grab my cotton cloth. There you go. Scraping in a different direction was the only thing that I needed to do. You guys can see it looks pretty nice. I'm gonna try to put another heart. Get rid of this. You kind of gotta work fast because it could dry. And I'm just gonna kind of flip this heart just to kind of cover that. Guys, see that? And then I feel like I'm just gonna grab one of these open hearts. It's not like solid. Okay, just to kind of put in the tip. I think it's gonna be good. All right, so yeah, I like it. Definitely did a good job on that. Just kidding. I don't know. I don't know. I did what I could. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what's next. So I'm gonna put a little bit of acetone here. I'm gonna get my cleaning brush, not blush. Why is blush in my head? And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean around my cuticles. Now, this right here, I have some of that decal that I made. So this is just gonna help the decal stick to my nail. And just be careful when you do this. You can kind of just use your acetone to kind of melt that sticker, and that's gonna, like I said, that's just gonna even help you more with this sticking to your nail. Hopefully it makes sense, because I know a lot of times I'm like, what? Hope everybody understands what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now I'm ready to top coat, and as you guys can see Valentine's Day. So it's actually really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and top coat. I'm gonna top coat this one. This is the first time that the first nail that I stamped at the beginning. But I didn't top coat. I was waiting for this one to be ready. So barely touch your design. You don't want to smear the stamping polish. Make sure you put enough top coat. Like, I'm barely touching the nail, and I actually did like a pretty thick layer. Okay, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and clean around, and I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna go wash my hands and maybe put some oil around my cuticles. They look kind of dry, and then I'll come and show you the final result. Hey you guys, so this is completely dry. I already put some cuticle oil around my cuticles because they're kind of dry, you know, with the weather. So this is how the mani looks. Kind of smear the little heart, but other than that, I really like it. It looks really cute, especially for Valentine's. And you know, Beauty Big Bang has their a USA warehouse, so I'm pretty sure you guys can have these plates by Valentine's Day. And do I recommend this plate? Yes, I really do recommend it. The edging is just perfect. Beautiful plate. So I'll leave all the information for you guys on the description box, and hope you guys like this mani, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.